Hey buddy, welcome to our channel Free Prep. If you are new here, do subscribe the channel. Let's know about vast use of Excel. Excel is a powerhouse that transforms how we handle data. Picture this, you're managing a budget for a big event. With Excel, you can create a detailed spreadsheet to track expenses, categorize costs, and even visualize your budget with charts. It's like having a financial advisor at your fingertips. Now, think about project management. You can use Excel to build Gantt charts, keeping your team on track with deadlines and tasks. It's all about organization and clarity. And let's not forget data analysis. Imagine sifting through thousands of sales records. With Excel's powerful functions like VLOOKUP and pivot tables, you can uncover trends and insights in minutes. From simple to complex, Excel adapts to your needs, making it an essential tool in every professional's toolkit. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or a data analyst, mastering Excel opens doors to endless possibilities. Please share your opinion in comment box. What you want to get explained. Please like and share, don't forget to hit bell icon. Thank you.